This video will explain how to make a neck gaiter style mask. You can use any fabric. You need something metal for the nose and about 16 inches of elastic cord. Also an elastic cord toggle. You can find the parts that I used in the description, but any parts will work. Please share if you find the video useful. First you have to measure the circumference of your head like this. 22 3/4. Now we have cut the fabric so that this length is 1.5 inches bigger than what we measured for the head circumference. So in this case it's 24 1/4, and then the other direction it's 14 3/4. So that's the fabric that we've cut out. And then the other pieces that we'll need are the nose piece, the elastic cord, and the toggle to help adjust the length of the elastic cord. Now we're going to fold over the top edge just 3/4 of an inch, about like this, and then we're going to stitch along there till this whole edge is stitched across with 3/4 of an inch folded over. Here I have pinned the fabric to make it easier to make that stitch. Here is what it looks like after I've made that stitch. Now I'm going to take the nose piece and slide it into the channel that we just made and work it all the way into the middle of the fabric. And once I get it to the middle, I will stitch it very tightly around the nose piece to hold it in place. This is what it looks like when it's done. Next you take the elastic cord and the toggle, and you insert one end of the elastic cord into the toggle and insert the other end into the toggle. So it looks like this. Then you push the toggle and pull it till it is about like that. Next you take one end of the elastic cord and slide it into the channel so it's almost tight, and then you're going to find that end in the channel. This end, I can feel it, and I'm going to stitch it right there to hold it in place. So it looks like this when I'm done stitching. And then I'm going to take the other end and slide it into the other channel and do the same thing. I'll pull it till the toggle is almost touching there. Then I'll go find the far end there, and then I'm going to stitch it right here. So now I've got the second stitch, and you can see the first stitch as well. And if we pick this thing up, you can see that's how that looks, and I can pull on the elastic and I get some tension on each of those. Alright, so I've got these two sides even here, and the seam where that fold is on the inside. And bring that together, and again the right side is even here. And now what I'm going to do is stitch from the bottom along this edge all the way up, but stop at the channel, don't go into the channel. So all the way up here, I'm going to sew that together. So now you can see that seam is there and runs all the way up and stops here short of the channel. Now we're going to take the whole mask and turn it inside out. So the side with the fold is actually the outside of the mask. So then you'll put the bottom end over your head, and then the metal piece here will end up at your nose. Carrie is going to try this on. She has put her hair up. That makes it easier. Alright, so she's going to take the bottom end and put it over her head like that, and pull it down and get the nose piece centered on her nose and form it to her nose. And then pull the elastic tight in the back, like that. And yeah, and the elastic goes below the ears. Yeah, good, like that. Yeah. Yeah, and then ideally you tuck the bottom into the shirt. Best you can, depends on what shirt you're wearing. And yeah, and that's it. She'll turn around and show you. Okay, good. Yeah, so that's it. And then when you're in a place where there's less risk, you can pull it down and just wear it like a neck scarf, like so. All right, thank you.